All right, so in the last video, we added a particle effect for Mr. Peabody moving left and right. And in this video, I think I know what I want to do next is I want to make it that he can only jump one time. Because right now, I could just press jump. I could just keep pressing jump and basically like take off into outer space over here. So we want to have it a control that he can only jump once. All right, I know maybe some kids like that they could just jump off in outer space and they laugh. So maybe that could be a power he gets. But right now I'm going to have it that only jumps one time. So let me go to the Peabody script. All right, so how am I going to do this? In the script, I know when I land from a jump, and I know when I'm in a jump, because let's see, here's the jump control. So basically all I do when I check for the jumping is I check to see if you pressed a jump button. If you pressed up or W or the fire button on a joystick. That's all I do for that. And also I guess the mouse button works as a jump button. That's all I do. I don't check to see if you're already jumping. So a way I could know if you are already jumping is, I guess, the animation that's playing. Because right here, this is the jump animation. So you could press the button and then I could check to see if you're already jumping before I let you jump again. So I know I have an example right here of if the animation is jump right there. I use the anim get current animator state info. Okay, so here we are in the jump control. You press to do the jump. Now before I actually let the jump happen, let me just check one more thing. All right, and here's the if statement. All right, so if the animation jump is false, right, you're not in the jump animation, then go ahead and do the jump. This should make it that I can only jump one time. All right, so save. Everybody's crying. They want to jump multiple times. Now press play. Now, keep your eyes on the game window. Here he is. Jump, 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 jump. It's funny, one of these jumps was way higher. It's like I almost got two jumps in there if I press it real fast. Um, that's good enough for me now. So I kind of limited the jumping ability with just that little if statement there to know if in the jump animation. It could be because it didn't switch to the jump animation yet that I'm able to press it twice. Let me just check on Mr. Peabody here for when it goes to jump. It comes from whatever's going on. It comes from the any state, and any state doesn't have an exit time. But there is a little crossover here. Maybe that's why I could like sometimes press it twice. So if I do this, I think I did this somewhere else to make the animation like happen quicker. So let's see, I think I did it when he was landing. So now, let's see if I could make that double jump happen. I still make it happen. It's harder, but it could happen. Oh well, let somebody be happy that that could happen a little bit. And that takes care of that, the double jumping. That was a fast video. Can I add something else in this video? Um, I don't know. Let's let this be a quick one.